everyone, welcome to my channel. So, do you also love rain? I do. This is why I thought of sharing this video with you people. Actually, this was a rainy weekend for me and I enjoyed it a lot. I don't know I don't know why, but rain has a very calming effect on my brain. Plus, greenery is there, so I always enjoy watching rain and sitting in my veranda, watching it with green plants and everything. It really calms my mind, helps me relaxing. So I thought, why not share this beautiful rainy day with you people? It's been 3 to 4 hours since it's raining, and I'm just enjoying every moment. Since it's raining from 3 to 4 hours, I thought of having a warm cup of coffee and watching the rain. So I made myself a cup of coffee now, and I will be enjoying in my room watching rain through my window and some music for trust me, rain and music, it has a very good effect on your brain. And this is the view I'm enjoying through my window in my kitchen. Now I'm heading towards my room. My coffee is made and it's time for coffee and enjoying rain in a very cozy environment. Thanks for watching my video.